Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to turn off age restriction mode on TikTok. So go for your TikTok app. After that, click on your profile. Go to this three line option here. Then click on settings and privacy. You can see here content preferences. Click on it and here is your restricted mode. Go for it. Click on turn off. And now you have to enter your passcode. Go for next. So you have successfully turned off restricted mode on TikTok. So guys, if you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.